In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a parking ticket online in New York. If you need to pay a New York City parking or camera violation, the easiest way to do it is through the official NYC City Pay website. This is the secure online payment portal provided by the City of New York, and it's designed specifically for handling ticket payments quickly and safely. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official NYC City Pay parking payment page. You can also use the official New York City parking ticket payment or dispute app if you prefer to handle everything from your phone. Using an official city platform is important because it helps protect your information and ensures your payment is processed correctly. Before you begin, make sure you have the details you'll need to look up the ticket. In most cases, you can search using either the ticket number or your vehicle's license plate number. Having that information ready in advance will make the process much faster and smoother. Once you're on the site, follow the prompts to locate your violation. After the system finds your ticket, review the information carefully to confirm that everything matches your vehicle and the violation you're paying. Taking a moment to double-check the details can help you avoid mistakes before submitting payment. When you're ready to pay, the city accepts several common payment methods. These typically include major credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Debit cards with a Visa or MasterCard logo are also accepted, and in some cases, certain gift cards may work as well. Choose the payment method that works best for you and complete the checkout process as instructed on the screen. If you're doing this on a smartphone, the mobile option can be especially convenient. The city also provides official mobile access through its online services, so you can pay or even dispute a violation directly from your device without needing a computer. As a helpful tip, always make sure you're using an official New York City website or app when handling parking tickets. Avoid third-party sites, even if they appear in search results, because using the official service is the safest and most reliable option. After your payment is submitted, keep a copy of the confirmation for your records. A screenshot, email receipt, or saved confirmation page can be useful in case you need proof of payment later. That's it. Once you visit the official NYC City Pay page, look up your ticket using your ticket number or license plate, review the violation details, and submit your payment using an accepted card. It's a simple process, and now you know exactly how to do it online.